Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Play Store. Now install your new default apps. I will go with Opera Mini Browser. Wait for them to install and select Home button. Then access Devices Settings. Finally, you need to choose Apps and Notifications over here. Click on Advanced and pick Default Apps. Now click on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, choose Opera Mini in order to set it up, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!